I'm Edward with AVT Productions. We are here at AVT Productions headquarters, and we are here to showcase the studio here at AVT. There is a check-in form on the iPad. It's just a questionnaire to help make sure that we're all keeping safe. As you walk in, you'll see the Rock Harbor meeting room. This is one of the few meeting spaces that we do have here. We've got the camera there for virtual meetings, WebEx, Zoom, whatever you need. Here's the actual studio space. As you can see here, we have a green screen, works out great for different virtual backdrop options. We have full studio lighting here, a couple monitors. Monitors allow you to have slides, notes. We have the capability to display a remote audience if need be for engagement between the presenter and the audience. Got a few cameras here, as you can see. Over here we call this the Bulkhead. You see different workstations here, a team that needs to all get things done while there's a shoot going on. This is a great space to do that. And right over here, as additional monitor, is to give everybody a look at what we're actually capturing backstage. Here's another small meeting space, more of a lounge area or green room that we use it for. Here's the backstage area control. Right here we have the audio station. Here's Richard, our audio engineer on site and technical director, and all-around good guy. Speaking of all-around good guys, here's Ray. He's at Video Village. He's here manning the Video Village station. We've got lots of switchers, vMix station. Here's the graphics station where all the PowerPoint, keynote, slides all gets controlled from this position. Over here you have the producer's table, so somebody can call the show, direct all the cues from this table here. And that does it for the tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you all can come enjoy the studio in person.